Wow, now you can get Microsoft T-shirt free of cost just by completing few modules and assessments. So here how to get it, let's come over here. But before we start, make sure to subscribe the channel, like the video. So the challenge is AI Skills Yatra. It consists of three sections: AI Pathshala, Prayogshala and Pariksha. First of all is AI Pathshala includes sub foundational, means all the courses contains. You can see all the courses are listed over here. And Prayogshala is hands-on training, just like we do in Google Cloud Arcade. Similarly, after that, AI Pariksha, that is the main part of this challenge. Here, you have to just showcase your talent, means whatever you have learned, you have to just prove your skills by completing a simple assessment and you'll be getting the t-shirt. One more important thing, most of you are asking about the challenge over here, the Copilot challenge. It is currently expired. If you try to open it, you can see the forms have been closed due to security reasons. So you can avoid this challenge, because for t-shirt this challenge was not compulsory, only the assessment part was there. So here first of all, let's see, these are the modules. You can complete it self-paced anytime and you'll be getting the certificates also, and you can attend the live sessions at your regional languages also. It is yet to be live, so you can simply register it one by one. Now coming to the main thing, how to get the swags. Okay, now here you can see most of you are having query that certifications are paid, how will be getting the t-shirt. So here you can see all these assessments are there and certifications are there. You have to complete anyone, okay, anyone from either from Applied Skills or either from Microsoft. So for example, let me show you a quick demo. Here if I just open it, you can see this contains of, this is an assessment that is free of cost. You can see this is the module. You can just read it and understand all the contents. After that, you can see this is our assessment. You have to simply check one checkbox and simply start it over here. It will consist of some MCQs, some labs, some to-do tasks, just we do in Arcade, just like we do in Google Cloud Arcade. Similarly, there will be some activities and tasks. Once you complete it, you have to simply, let me just close it. You have to simply come over here and just click on submit your details. Now here you have to mention your institution details, where like if you're a college student, you can mention your college name, or if you're a school student, you can mention your school name. Now after that, first name, last name, email ID with which you have created the course, means account of the Microsoft. Now here you can see these things. Okay, now from here we have to select anyone, Applied Skills or certification. You can select anyone from here or here. So for example, if you completed the first one, after that they are asking the transcript URL and your username. Now how to find it? First of all, if you just open any of these links, here at the top it will prompt you to sign in. You have to simply sign in over here. Once you are signed in, you have to simply go to your profile, and from here you'll see achievement section. Okay, sorry, achievements, not transcript section. Now from here you have to copy. Actually I have not completed, so we have a sample demo PDF over here. So up to achievement section you have already seen, and the transcript section. Now there the course patch will be there. Okay, if you have completed this one, that is generate reports, or whether you have completed the Azure AI Vision solution, okay, anyone if you have completed, it will be listed over here in the transcript section. Let me just see here. Okay, from here you have to simply click on this share button. I will click on this share button. First of all, you have to click over here. Okay, in the transcript section you have to click over here, or you can just see the plans option and then simply click on the share option. If you face issue, you can comment down below and simply copy the link. After that, you have to simply just paste over here. Now how will find the username? So for finding the username, if I just show you a sample example, so this is our username. So you can just see from here, just copy this link up to here. So this is our username. You have to simply copy it like this and simply paste it here. So this is our username, or you can just do one thing, just open it. You can simply copy from here also. There is not a single issue. So like this, you can just paste it and simply submit it. I hope it clears your doubt. So hurry up and complete the certification. Only 500 people will be getting the t-shirt. So make sure to take the benefit of it and take the benefit of the courses also. Okay. So because these courses are free of cost available, you can take the benefit of the certification and live sessions. And this was a quick update. If you want Google certification, for that also the videos are live. You can always navigate to the channel and see. There are Gen AI certification, other certification including the Launchpad certification, and multiple events are also live. You can just watch it. Do like the video and subscribe the channel. Have a great day.